This is the size 7 ring. Small cute. Then let's going to use the wire 0.3. Here. Thank you, my friends, if your first time here. Okay, I will pack for you later. Here the wire, this is the 0.3. Then here we put the piece of the wire here. Then we are rubber. Here. Here this way, opposite. This one, okay. Then we're going to use the wire to bend it here. Here, and we are going to wrap it 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, just wrap here, stronger base on the back. Then we go tight. It's a very cute piece of the ring by the small beads. Okay, one of the design here. Then we can put with another color, another blue. Let's see if the 2 blue of the ring we are going to make. Here. Tight. Here. Wrapper. What is ring circle made of? Also stainless steel Terra. Also stainless steel is non-tarnish. Yes, we have. I can show you. Okay, wait for a moment. Okay. So very cute